The man who spent more than 700 days ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಈ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಜೀವಂತವಾಗಿ ಒಂಥರ ಮುಳುಗೋಗಿದ್ರಿ ಒಂದು 2 ವರ್ಷ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಲಿ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿದೆ ಸೊ ಯಶ್ ಅವರೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಜಿಎಫ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಜಿಎಫ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ అందరికీ నమస్కారం హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి వచ్చిన అందరికీ నా స్వాగతం ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಣಕಂ ಚೆನ್ನೈಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರ್ಕಿರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ಬಗಳಿಗೆ ವಣಕಂ மலையாளம் I'll sing a song because that's what I know that's all I know ஒரு வட்டம் காற்று நின்றன காலேஜில் மைதானத்து ஒரு வாக்கியம் மிண்டாதி நீ போயில்லோ हिंदी अब सब लोग यहाँ है हमको बहुत खुश हो रहा है साउथ इंडियन एक्सेंट है एडजस्ट कर लीजिए चलेगा सुपर अभी दौड़ेगा कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया आप बात करने से गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन इट्स अ वेरी वेरी ऑनरेबल मोमेंट टू प्रेजेंट आवर इंडस्ट्री इन फ्रंट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ यू इन दिस स्केल Language is not a barrier. All of us come from a very small town. So English or Hindi was something which has always given us a complex. But the kind of work what we are doing or the kind of love what people have gave us has made us to come out of all those inhibitions and present our work and ourselves to the rest of the world in front of all of you. So if somebody is speaking in our language, please kindly bear with us. Bhavanaam ko samjho. Understand the feelings. Everybody has really worked hard. Each and every person who is present here are really passionate about our industry. He's really passionate about the craft. It starts from the hero of the film. That's not me, that's Vijay Kiragandur. My brother, he is the hero of the film because to imagine this kind of movie, this kind of scale from our industry 4 years ago. This happened much before Ramachari, which is the biggest blockbuster in my career. It happened before that. To have that kind of belief and confidence, he has to be a hero and he is my hero, Mr. Vijay Kiragandur, for presenting all of us in this scale, in this platform. So, love you Vijay sir for whatever you have done. And Prashant Neel, he is an amazing talent. I don't think he's going to stop here. I would want him to direct an Hollywood film and that's my dream. And he has got all that potential and I feel he will be remembered in Indian cinema forever in coming days. KGF is just a beginning, guys. He is still yet to explore himself and his talent. I think KGF will show the world what he is capable of. And I have seen that talent in him. And I want whole of India to witness that through KGF. Trailer is just a trailer. Picture abhi baki hai. Bhuvan Gowda. Again, he is also from Mandya, our small town. First, when I met him, he used to talk saying, "Hi, bro. Hello, bro." So I thought he's also, from some convent, well educated. But after 5 minutes, I got to know we all come from same school. Amazing talent. You can see the cinematography quality. Whoever has seen this film, whoever has saw the visuals, all of them have said just one thing. It is on par with Hollywood. I could also be boasting about my film, it's okay. When I'm talking about my technicians, chalega. So he has done a great job. I'm in love with his work. The way he has shown the film and way he has shown the whole canvas, the locations. He's amazing, he's brilliant. Thank you, Bhuvan. Thank you very much. Ravi Basroor. I always believe I'm a very hard-working person. And I have got a lot of potential. When I have to work, I don't care about food, I don't sleep. But I saw one person who works more than me. that is Ravi Basroor. I didn't sleep for 48 hours, but he continued. I was forced to sleep because I had to look fresh in front of you. Don't know whether I'm looking or not. Ravi Basroor. Ravi Basroor is one person. I've seen him always work, and he has done an amazing job. You can witness that in the film. So thank you, Ravi. Thank you for being so hardworking, and he is an amazing talent. Srinidhi, it's her first film. She has done a great job. I think she also will have a great future. I wish her good luck. What can I say? All of you have made an effort to come here. That's the most important thing. We could have come to your state and we could have done an event and we could have had an interaction with you all. But bringing all of you under one roof in our state was our dream. It's a privilege. This is not a professional or this thing where we are only expecting publicity or something. This is a respect. This is a love we wanted to share with you all. We are very happy that all of you have come here. It's an immense pleasure. I had this dream because our industry today, I want to remember one person. Coincidentally, it's his birthday. Shankar Nag sir, the person who made our Kannada industry, get a right platform in rest of the places in country. The person who had directed Malgudi Days. So he's a great man. So he's not with us, but his work and whatever he did has inspired us, and so he's always be remembered in Kannada industry. So I'm very happy. I don't know how to thank all our presenters. Anil Tadani sir, thank you for believing in us. Vishal is a very dear friend of mine. He's an amazing actor, amazing human being. I met him when Chennai floods happened. I liked him because he was struggling to help people there. That's how we got associated. Both of us did something together. From then, we have been traveling together, and he insisted us to release in Tamil because he saw few clips and he liked it, and he said, everybody will like this film. So he is helping us in Tamil. Thank you very much. And Sai Koropati sir, thank you sir. Thank you very much for helping us to release in Telugu. And Malayalam also, some buyer has come. So I'm very happy. Excel Entertainment, I have to thank Farhan Akhtar and Ritesh Sidhwani for presenting our film in such a large canvas. This is all I can talk in English. Now I'll get back to my language. Thank you. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸಖತ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನನಗೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗ, ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. KGF ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬರೀ ಯಶ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. KGF ಒಂದು ಕನಸು, ಒಂದು ಮುಂದಿನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ. ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ದಿರೋದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿರೋ ಅರ್ಜು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗಿರೋ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗಿರೋ ತಾಕತ್ತು ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು, ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೌರವ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಕನಸಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಜಯ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮನಸಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬೇಕು, ತಾಕತ್ತು ಬೇಕು. 4 ವರ್ಷದ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕನಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಥರ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಇವತ್ತು ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್, ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು 10 ವರ್ಷ ನೀವು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟು ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೈಫ್. ಅಮ್ಮ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೇ ನೋಡಿರೋದು. ಅಷ್ಟು ತ್ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲದರ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೆರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಗುಡ್ ಲಕ್. ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಆಸೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡ. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಎಂಜಾಯ್. ನೀವುಗಳನ್ನು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದಿರಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೋಟಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. KGF ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್. ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ರಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್. KGF ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಮೂವಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಷಿಯನ್ಸು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ. ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ.